Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, we got a issue with this here generator. The one I've been working on last year. I never got to finish it because it come down sick. And then the rain took off on me. So I figured this season I'd try to finish it up, hopefully. But I got an issue with the fuel shut-off. Somehow it broke off the tank. So I got to get in there with something and get the threads out. But it's too short to use now up in the tank. So what I'm going to do is try to go out to the lathe. And this is 10 millimeter by 125. So I'm going to make a inside and an outside. I'm going to tap it on one end to thread here, and then die it on the other end to thread up in the tank. Hopefully I can do that. I can't show you much with the lathe and all because my tripod's down and junk again. I got to get a new one again. But that's the project. We'll let you see it. Hang on. Alright folks, we got it. Just an old piece of 3/4 bolt shaft here. It's pretty soft, it's just all thread. But we faced it, and we got a what is it, a 8.5 millimeter? I think I'm gonna have to go 9, and then we'll thread it. But first we got to turn all the threads down and get it right so that we can put our outside diameter threads on there. So there's the progress. I'd show you, but I got nowhere to put this camera because my tripod's all broken leg on her. Alright, we'll be back. Alright folks, sorry I forgot to about y'all. Excuse me. But it's not the prettiest thing I ever made, but it's probably not the ugliest either, so it'll work. Got that threaded inside. And now I'm going to thread the outside. And I know this is too long. I made it that way so I cut it off 2 lengths, because some of this, there's a filter that goes up and stands up in the tank, so I made this long on purpose. Alright, so now we're going to go thread it. Hang on. Let's get that part done. I got a lot of chatter out of that junky bolt, but it'll work. Be right back. Alright folks, I'd like you to do something for me. I'd like you to remember to remind me to buy the cheapest tap and die set next time I go to the store there. These are junk. Remind me not to buy the cheapest. Anyways, we got it. It's an ugly piece of crud. But there's a 10 by 1.25 inside and outside. So we're gonna go see if we can see what it's gonna look like. Hang on. Alright folks, I didn't make that any too long. It's about perfect. I'm going to set you right here, hopefully. Well, right here, maybe. This is the old. I can't see y'all. Hello. Right, this is the old piece, and there ain't too many threads left. This half, the other half of this is in the tank. We got to get that out. I'm not going to show you that. It's not tight. I'm just going to get it easy out with my hand and spin it out. But this is the piece we made. Alright, and I'm going to put some Loctite on that. And it spins together. Like I said, it's not the prettiest part I ever made, but it ain't the ugliest either. But there it is. It'll drop it down a little bit, this much, which is about 1 inch and 1/8 or something. Not very much, but I don't care. Let it drop down. At least it's steel there. Alright, and then this nut locks it up against the tank. It's got a seal on it. But there it is. We fixed it. Alright, take care of yourselves. Love y'all. Bye-bye.